Hi, if you would like to learn how to make restaurant-style mashed potatoes, this is the channel for you. I'm Chef Edward, and I've been a professional chef for over a decade, and I'm here to show you tips and tricks I've learned along the way. So first, what you'll need is 3 large potatoes. You'll need a cup of heavy cream. You'll need 4 ounces of butter. You'll need salt. You need some black pepper. You need water, and also some chive. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to add our butter to a small pan. We're going to add our heavy cream. And we're going to heat it up. Next, we're going to peel our potatoes. So, okay, our potatoes are peeled. Now we're going to cut them up. And we're going to add them to our pot. Okay, once we have it in the pot, we're going to add salt. And we're going to fill it up with water. You want the water above the potatoes so it submerges them while it cooks it. So let's put it on the flame. Okay, we're going to cook our potatoes until they're nice and soft. It takes about 25 to 30 minutes. Okay, it's time to check our potatoes. Just gonna cut one. Oh, they went right through. So we're ready to strain it. Okay, we're going to strain our potatoes. All right, to get the mashed potatoes to restaurant style, what you will need is a food mill. That's the secret. Is you take the potatoes, you put it in the food mill, and you will not get lumpy mashed potatoes. So you put it in like so. So you put it in one way, you turn it the other. And now I'm going to take a towel and put it underneath our bowl. We're going to add more potatoes to the food mill. Now these mashed potatoes would go well with a steak or meatloaf, so, or even chicken. So with the food mill, I really want to get it off the corners, like so. See? All right, it looks like we're done with this. So next, we're gonna add our pepper, about a teaspoon, and we're gonna add our salt to taste. Now potatoes, they soak in the salt, so you have to add more than you think you need. So next we're gonna add our butter and heavy cream mixture. And we're gonna whisk it to combine it. Now, we're gonna taste our mashed potatoes to make sure that's enough salt. Could use a little bit more. Now, we're gonna add some chives to it. Now we have our mashed potatoes. They're nice and creamy. Add a little bit of chives. And there you go. If you want to learn more how to cook dishes like these, please subscribe. And now it's your turn. So thank you for watching.